My name is Sandupa Mohotege. I'm a senior associate software development engineer at Workday, and I've just been here over 2 years. So, on a daily basis, hands-on coding, we build the little components that we need to make the full software. So, code components, visual components that the user can see, test it out as well before we get it to QA and our project manager out. So, every component we build in XpressO. It's fine. We build an XpressO and we deliver that out. But the awesome thing is you get to see what your code does in terms of a customer's point of view. You make a product, but you need to know what that product does. And so customers use them, and that experience you get from understanding, your impact, your even tiniest impact has a value for a customer, as well as a value for even you, because we use our own products as well. So if we make a good product, it benefits us as well as the customers.